This is a do-it-yourself video tutorial on how to make a simple herbal tincture. The simplest method is the easiest approach to tincture making. You will need 190 proof alcohol, which is 95% grain alcohol like Everclear, or this organic tincture alcohol I will link to below. Today's teaching will show you how to make yerba santa tincture from medicines we sustainably wildcrafted. Yerba santa is a powerful respiratory and sinus decongestant that supports the body through most conditions where hypersecretions have become an issue. First, separate the yerba santa leaves from the stems, then chop your leaves into small, uniform pieces. Next, fill your jar with herbs, leaving at least an inch of space at the top. Then fill with alcohol and be sure all of the plant material is submerged in the alcohol. This ensures no mold or bacteria can grow at the top. Be sure your alcohol is not touching the metal lid, as it can corrode the metal and contaminate your medicine. Let your medicine sit at least a month before straining out the plant material. Yerba santa tincture dosage is 20 to 30 drops up to 3 times a day. While there are more exact approaches with specific ratios and various alcohol percentages, we wanted to show you a method that anyone can do and that requires little to no herbal experience. Yup, Simpler's method is really that simple. Enjoy your homemade medicine! For more videos and plant teachings, visit Wild Medicine School at the link below.